City sleeps, but the work never stops. Our green giant is ready.
Engines roar. The morning shift begins now.
Every scuff on this green beast tells a story of hard work.
The orange warning light cuts through the morning fog.
First stop, Main Street. Bins are waiting. Precision mechanics in action. Locked and loaded.
Up it goes. Efficiency is the name of the game. The compactor makes short work of the morning load.
Mud on the tires, dirt on the road, it's just another day. Look who's joining the team, the futuristic street sweeper.
Teal and white, sleek and fast. A modern marvel.
Those rotating brushes don't miss a single speck. Moving on to the next sector. No time to waste.
3 axles of raw power navigating the Toy City.
Chrome wheels spinning as we hit the corner.
The orange glow signals a city in good hands.
Chrome wheels spinning as we hit the corner.
The orange glow signals a city in good hands.
Flashy light bars and high-tech cleanup.
Speeding toward the Park District. High-speed waste management.
Check that blue tank, nearly full of Toy City's dust. Lined up and ready. Let's clear them out.
Gravel doesn't stand a chance against these tires.
Crushing it, literally. The compactor is a beast.
The sun is up, and so is the pace.
A perfect handover between the truck and the sweeper. Toy City Waste Management, keeping it clean since dawn.
Watch out for the construction zone. Rough terrain ahead.
Suspension working overtime on these bumps.
Sweeping away the sawdust. Flawless execution.
The rear loader handles the biggest boxes with ease. From the driver's seat, it's a clear path to victory.
Swerving around the fountain, agility in a heavy frame.
The dream team in action. Coordination is key.
Morning light reveals a job well done.
Three axles, 0 problems. Stability is everything.
The sweeper's chrome reflects the rising sun.
Backing into the alley.
Reverse sensors on point. Target acquired.
Residential district. Prepare to be polished. Rapid fire bins. Boom, boom, boom.
The green unit is getting heavy, but she won't stop.
Main Boulevard is officially spotless.
One final shake. Get every last bit.
Heading for the final drop-off point.
Sweeper mission accomplished. Returning to base.
The Toy City citizens wake up to a sparkling world.
Mission success. The waste is managed.
Lights out. Until tomorrow morning, Toy City.